Oh, so close. Nothing a grinder can't fix. That is a jalapeno popper holder. I found it for 10 bucks at on my travels in Nashville. I think it was at the Burlington store. I saw something just exactly like it. This is dirty. I have to wash it all, but I'm going to grind on it. It's all stainless steel. I got to make it fit in that Dutch oven. I'll make jalapeno poppers. Yeah, I saw the exact same thing at Bass Pro for 20 bucks. Yeah, and this was on sale at Burlington store, I think, and I think I was in Nashville. Might have been Paducah. Nope, it was Nashville. I bought it in Nashville. $9.95. It's gonna work. You know, these didn't realize it, but these are tapered, so I had to grind that at a taper. But hey, it's just a little grinding. It works. Now let's make some jalapeno poppers in the Dutch oven. Bill Goudy checking in. I'm only about half done mowing today. Clouded up, started to rain. I thought, what the heck is going on? And then it cleared up, sun's shining. I'm going to go back to mowing. But let me show you what I did. Yeah, in the meantime, getting ready. You know, multitasking is what I was doing. Rather than just sitting on my butt, I got my jalapenos ready to go. I'm gonna cook them in the Dutch oven tonight. Come along, join me. See that boat out there? He's been fishing there for a couple hours. Looks like there's nothing out there, like he's just out in the middle of the river. But he's on the outside edge of a flat. It's 3 foot of water right now, maybe 4, and it drops down to about 22 to 23 foot. And he's right on that outside edge, right on that slant. It slants from 3 foot to about 22 foot right there. Now you can see there's a pleasure boat on out. Just a beautiful day, but I'll tell you what, it's 100 degrees in the shade. It surely is. But he must be catching some fish out there, or he wouldn't be sitting out in the sun like that for so long. Thank you, Campmaid. You want some Campmaid equipment? I'll put a link down below. Follow that link. Enter Goudy 20. I could save you 20% off.
For more information, contact Scott Whitworth at 660-341-2197. We'll see you July 6th. Handle fireworks with extra caution. Premier Eye Care Associates says even seemingly harmless fireworks can cause painful burns if not handled carefully. Make sure the fireworks you handle are legal. Fireworks laws are made for your protection. Premier Eye Care Associates wishes you a happy and safe holiday. Your next forecast, we can expect scattered storms and slightly cooler temperatures through the end of the week. Partly cloudy skies tonight, a slight some thunderstorms, the high in the mid-80s. And that's your forecast.
Yeah, this is leftover from my drip. It's a can. Yeah, it's a can. Leftover. Gotta use it. I can't think of a better way to use it. Whoosh. I'm thinking about 20 minutes. Yeah, maybe 30. You know, we'll check it in about 20 minutes and see. I just want, everything's cooked. So all I want is those peppers to be tender.
It's like getting a...
I'm not sure what happened. I'm kind of upset because when I thought I was recording, it wasn't recording. But I'll tell you, the peppers, the jalapeno poppers came out excellent. Very tender. Yeah, I did it for 20 minutes and that was just perfect. Actually, it probably could have been 15. 15 to 20 minutes is all it takes. Yeah. And it was so good. It really was. And I'm just going to have to do it again, and show you the results. And hope that the camera records better next time. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out. It's real life. And yeah, this is what really happened. What can I say? Bill Goudy out.